So today I have something for you guys. Okay, and today it is Twozies. Is that all of them? Yeah. Okay, so which one is? Okay, so I've had this Twozie for a while. So they don't come with the same match. So I have a boy. There's a girl. I think it's a pink bird, but they come like Shopkins and they're different colors. But this is a bird and this is a bear, and they come with different matches, and you have to like get them and find the same matches. So today we're gonna open Twozies. I'm really excited because this is the only Twozies I've ever had. So I have these ones. They're Find and Match Baby Pet Friends. So 2 surprise Twozies inside. And then this is season 1. It says it on the side right here, if you can see it. Yeah, so it's on the left side. Yeah. So it's on the left side, but to you, I'm facing it to you, so it's on the right side for you. So yeah. And it says everything's better together because they're Twozies together. So these ones are gonna come with the same pets and the same person. So this it says surprise pet inside for both of these, and then surprise baby inside, and then yeah. So they come with different ones. They're not gonna match. So yeah. So we're gonna open it if we can. There we go. Oh. Rip this because it's hard to open. Okay, so it comes with a little Twozies thingy. So they come with this, and they have this little pocket, and you slide it out, and they just have some little stuff that you can look at, and all the Twozies there are and stuff. With the one yeah. So these are all season 1. I don't know about this one. Yeah, so I don't know about this one. Yep, it's season 1, season 1. Oh, hold on. It says season 1. Right here at the top in the corner on your left. So, yeah. So this can unfold, and it has a lot, and then on both sides. It's just like Shopkins. If you have Shopkins, they have little books to see what they are. Okay. Just fell out. So we're gonna open this. So I'm gonna open these ones real quick. Hold on. So I'm gonna take out these. There's one. I'm gonna lay these ones out. So these ones match. So this is the girl one. This one, and it has eyelashes, so that's how you can tell it's a girl. And that's the boy. So I like that. Those are cute. So I'm gonna put those close together. And look at their little beak on their hat. So I don't have her pet yet because it's one of the surprise ones, and I don't have his pet. So he is a snake, and he's a snake. This one he came with the baby surprise. So just gonna put him up here. So now I'm just gonna open these ones. Yay, yay, yay. Oh, I see something. Well, here's a toy. Here's a toy for one of them. I think it's a bear or a monkey. I can check. I don't know what it is. I think it's supposed to be a fox. Well, I don't know what that one is supposed to be. Wait, it doesn't come in this one. So let me just check in this little book it came with, just in case. So I'm gonna open up the little book. So that one is really unusual. I see one that's like it, but it doesn't have a white face, because fur on the face, so I don't know. So it's probably a fox or a tiger, because there's one that looks like it, but it's a tiger. Well, I don't know what that one is, so I'm gonna open the person for this little one, the baby. Aw, he's an elephant. So here's the little elephant. Hold on. Little elephant. My finger's in the way. So cute. So that's him. He came with the little leopard or tiger, whatever it is. So that's what he is. So yeah. I don't think you guys got to see this. So that's him. Yeah, so he goes right there. So I'm gonna open the little animal for the snake. That one just came out. So this one's a pony, it's cute. So it's a little pony with purple hair. So that one came with the yellow cobra. So that's what it came with. And this is what it came with. So I'm gonna open these ones. Just open these ones. If I can. I'm excited. I hope I get a matching one for one of them. So I get two. Wait. So this is a baby and this is the animal. I hope they match. Probably not, but I hope they do. This one's hard to open. Oh, there we go. I made a hole. Oh, this one's cute. Look. It's a little zebra. It's a little zebra with the pink mohawk. This one's almost the cutest one yet that I love. And we're gonna open the baby. Well, they come with these little designs on these. So that one is like a zigzag. And this one is, if I can get it out, are leaves. I don't know the. So yeah, that's what they are. So let me just put these over here. So this, I think this is an elephant to match the little elephant. It's either a rhino or an elephant. That's cute. So I'm gonna put them near the elephant because that's cute and look alike. So yeah. so now I'm gonna open this one. I hope I get a matching one. I kind of got a matching one, I think. That just popped out of nowhere. This design has bananas. That's cute. Maybe I get a monkey. Who knows? These Twozies are going to be my favorite collectibles now. If I can open it. This one has, oh, it's pink. Oh, it's a little koala. Isn't that cute? It's a little koala. There. Oh. So we're gonna open up the baby. There we go. These have a lot of warning on it. It's pink. Please match, please match. And it's a giraffe. So the zebra and the giraffe are I think it's a cow. So it's either a cow or a giraffe. But these are the cutest ones yet, the giraffe and the zebra. So those are my favorite ones. So that's all for today. All my little ones. So, here's the little, he keeps flipping over. Oh yeah, that's cool. Sorry. So yeah, those are the little ones to match. And I got some 2 matching babies, the girl and the boy. You can tell if they're girls or boys with eyelashes. So this one has eyelashes, so that's a girl, and this is a girl, and that's a girl. So I'm gonna put the girls together. There's a snake girl. So I got 2 boys and 4 girls. So yeah, that's what I have today. So bye, thank you.